So guys, as you know, previously I shared it with you how you can create a hovering effect, zoom effect in PowerPoint presentation using morph transition. In this video, you will see how you can create this presentation which is looking like a website. You can see it is having a nav bar which you can use to jump into any slide, and also this is all about hyperlink, and I have added external links also. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, you can see I have two of these backgrounds which I will be using to create my PowerPoint website. So this is Northern Light and this is Particles background. You have to simply import it here, but before doing that you have to change your layout into blank and then open slide master and then choose your font like this. And I will now close this master view, and now I will import this picture here like this. So you can see now I am just fitting this image so that it can be fitted on my presentation like that. Yes, after doing that, what you have to do, you have to go to insert like here and then shapes, and then select a rounded rectangle like this to create a navbar like this. And then what you have to do, shape outline, no outline, and shape fill should be white, and then right click on your image like this and go to format shape and select its transparency to 68 or 80 like this. So you will see we got a transparent square. Now insert a text box writing your all links. First of all, I am writing home like this. You can see I will now change its color in white. So my friends, we have done this, and now we will repeat this process like this. So my friends, you will see we have created this navbar, and it is really looking like a real website navbar. Now we have to insert our header. So I am writing just a normal text, you can change it. I have written PowerPoint and I will choose it font to something like gold, and I will increase its size, and obviously I will change its color in white like this. You can see my friends. Now what I'm doing is that I am just importing a PowerPoint logo so that it may suit with my website theme like this. And I will search for a glowing PowerPoint logo, and you can see these are the logos, and I like this much. So I will easily copy this and just paste in my PowerPoint presentation like this. You can see I will now paste it, and it is looking very beautifully. It is matching with my theme like this. Now I will add some more text. Also my friend, you can download this website template from description, and if you want how we can publish this website online, please comment me down. I will create another tutorial for you all. Now I am just creating a button. As you have seen in many websites, there are so many buttons, and I am just making that. I will set no outline, and I will set the color by going to in format shape like this. You can see what I will do. I will choose its color by eyedropper like this, which should match with our PowerPoint logo, and I will just add some shadows. This is the inner shadow, and I will just choose this color also with my eyedropper like this. Now I will set a dark color with my eyedropper like this. One thing we will also do is that we will add a glow in this. You can select any presets. In this case I am selecting this one. Color I am selecting the light one, and I am just changing the size and transparency, which you can see like this. And my friends, we have easily created a button, and I will add some text on it. And you can see one of our website page has been successfully created, and it's really looking, it's no doubt that it is not looking like a website, it is really looking like a website. Now I am just importing the other background, which I will be using in the second slide. I will just resize it to set on my whole window like this. And I will make another page which you can see. I will add some rectangles. You can easily see. In this case I am selecting a shape outline as white, because I wanted this rectangle only of an outline like this. And you can see, my friends, how much good our website is looking. And my friends, you can also import these icons simply from the PowerPoint icons menu. And just I'm copying the text, and you can see how beautiful it is looking. And what we are going here is we have to duplicate our slide one like this. And I will just copy my navbar like this, and you can see our slide 2 is successfully created. Now we have to create our slide 3. So I am just taking Wix as a reference, and that's why I'm adding its logo. I found its rounded logo. I will copy it, and I will simply paste it here like this. You can see. And I will change it text. And I will change the button text also, and then I will format this button as it is not really open. So I am just setting the background color of my button as silver. You may have seen in many websites that something that is going to be coming, but it is not available at the current time. There may be a silver button which you can't disable. It is simply like a disabled button. So see, I have created a disabled button. It is looking very nice. I will just change a few of my things in my navbar like this. You can see. And now I just duplicate my slide to create our last slide. And I will just remove all sorts of things like this. And this page is going to be for our source code. And I want to tell you that you can download this website source code from my description, which is 100% free. What you have to do is only you have to subscribe my channel. And if you want any other tutorial, you can just comment me down. I will make a new tutorial for you. And you will see I also added the logos. It is looking super duper cool like this. Now what we have to do, select all the slides, and I added the push transition and I set the duration to 0.5 seconds. And now if I played it, you can see how beautiful it is looking. It is giving us a website feeling. Now one thing is remaining is that we have to do hyperlink in that. For example, in our navbar there are so many links. We can set hyperlink so that we will jump to another slide. So what you have to go, insert, action, and just follow the steps what I am following. So whenever my mouse will be clicked on any of this, I have set separate slides and that will be visible to me. I will show you at the last. And now you have to just follow these steps. I will now just copy my navbar to other pages so that the hyperlink is also working in other pages like that. And I am also adding an external link of my YouTube channel. You can also subscribe it. You will get a button at the bottom like that. I added a link and this is the final result.